Sir Mark, oh,
Sir, i-check niyo kung ano, sir. Grabe nga, nagastos to ba?
yes mo.
Yes, grabe magastos. Yung oferta mo yun,
Ipagay yung mga pera di. Ano pa nga?
itagaro to, kung dito.
Hindi mo sarado si
Sa amin ito lang ginagawa. Oo nga, pero sinusundan hindi masyadong ginagamit ni ODN. Tama-tama na.
ano pala, social traffic science natin din sa
Matamam.
Mr. Chair, we now have here the result of the 1 minute by our back members here. Your pronouncement, Mr. Chair.
Seven.
8.
Seven.
7 are accused, Mr. Chair.
Okay, say the Lord, please proceed.
Sir, for our first accuser under contract 25 GBD 21. This year we have 4 interested bidders. For our first bidder, Jamara Ventures Incorporated, submitted all necessary documents and was rated pass by our back members. Our ABC for this RFQ is 992,250 pesos. Bid offer of Jamara is 978,700, which is the variance of negative 1.37%. For our next bidder, BS Laumayan Hardware and Construction Supply, also submitted all necessary documents and was rated pass by our back members with a bid offer of 990,800. Repeat, 990,800 with a variance of negative 0.15%. For our third bidder, KNI Electric Hardware and Construction Supply, submitted all necessary documents and was rated pass by our back members with a bid offer of 985,000. Variance of negative 0.73%. And our third bidder, Power Art Industrial Machinery, was rated non-complying by our back members. The omnibus sworn statement was not notarized. Not notarized by omnibus sworn statement. So for this, Mr. Chair, our initial winner is Jamara Venture Incorporated.
Okay, so okay, please proceed to the second rules.
Next year is under contract ID 25 GBD 22. And again, for this, we have 4 interested bidders. First is Jamara Ventures Incorporated. Again, submitted all necessary documents and was rated pass by our back members with a bid offer of 863,400. Variance of negative 2.15%. Our next bidder, BS Laumayan Hardware and Construction Supply, also submitted all necessary documents and was rated pass by our back members with a bid offer of 881,500. 881,500 and a variance of negative 0.10%. For our third bidder, KNI Electric Hardware and Construction Supply, again submitted all necessary documents and was rated pass by our back members with a bid offer of 875,000. With a variance of negative 0.83%. For our fourth bidder, again Power Arc Industrial Machinery Corporation, was found to be non-complying by our back members. The omnibus sworn statement was not notarized. The omnibus sworn statement was not notarized. And for this, Mr. Chair, our initial winner is Jamara Venture Incorporated.
Jamara.
For our third RFQ under ID 25 GPD 23, Okay, for this, we have two interested bidder. First is Kailang Filipino. However, Kailang Filipino was found to be non-complying by our back members. Not, they have no field jobs, omnibus sworn statement, and also ITR. Is not attached to ITR and omnibus sworn statement. But no field jobs pa, yan ang pinaka-requirement, field jobs. For our next bidder, Pacho Enrico Restaurant. Pacho Enrico Restaurant submitted all necessary documents and completed fast by our bank members with a bid offer of 161,000.
Last. Wala na 61.
Again, the bid offer of Pacho Enrico is 161,000, which is below the ABC. View. 161,000.
0.
The variance of negative 0.16%. For this, our initial winner is Pacho Enrico Restaurant. For our next RFQ under ID 25 GBD 24. For this term, we have three interested bidders. First is Petro Market and Service Center. Petro Market and Service Center submitted all necessary documents and contracted fast by our bank members with a bid offer of 161,815. 161,815. The variance of negative 0.88%. Our next bidder, ADK Auto Center, completed non-complying by our bank members that did not attach any quotation. No quotation. No quotation. Not interested, actually. Not interested. No quotation. Not interested. And for our third bidder, St. Francis Auto Parts and Service Center. Yes, submitted all necessary documents and was rated passed by our bank members. The bid offer of 158,540. I repeat, 158,540. And a variance of negative 2.89%. And for this, our initial winner is St. Francis Auto Parts and Car Care Center. For our next RFQ under ID 25 GBD 25. And for this, we have three interested bidders. First is St. Francis Auto Parts and Car Care Center. They submitted all necessary documents and contracted cost by our bank members with a bid offer of 76,980. The variance of 53.74%. For our next bidder, Petro Market and Service Center. Also submitted all necessary documents and contracted cost by our bank members with a bid offer of 79,675. I repeat, 79,675. The variance of negative 0.37%. And for our third bidder, ADK Auto Center, not interested, did not submit any quotation. Not interested. So for this, our initial winner is St. Francis Auto Parts and Car Care Center. Next, RFQ under ID 25 GBD 26. Again, for this year, we have three interested bidders. First is Jamara Ventures Incorporated. They submitted all necessary documents on the related path by our back members with a bid offer of 588,700. I repeat, 588,700. The variance of negative 3.05%. For our next bidder, VS Laumayan Hardware and Construction Supply. Also submitted all necessary documents on the related path by our bank members with a bid offer of 595,500. I repeat, 595,500 and a variance of negative 1.93%. And for our third bidder, KN98 Hardware and Construction Supply. Also submitted all necessary documents on the related path by our bank members with a bid offer of 598,000. I repeat, 598,000. And for this, our initial winner is Jamara Venture Incorporated.
Good job.
For our last RFQ, purchase of spare parts and service for the preventive maintenance of Suzu Crosswind sa UAS. We have three interested bidders. First is Petromar Trade and Service Center. We have submitted all necessary documents and material passed by our bank members with a bid offer of 12,020 pesos. I repeat, 12,020 pesos. The variance of the negative 0.74%. Our next bidder, St. Francis Auto Parts. We have submitted all necessary documents and material passed by our bank members with a bid offer of 11,440. 11,440. For our third bidder, ADK, not interested, no quotation. So for this, our initial winner is St. Francis Auto Parts and Garter Center.
Mr. Chair, no?
Yes,
I'd like
sir.
to question, this KDK for submitting this bid without condition. Whether it is intentionally or the submission, we have to warn strike, limit strike.
Pero may report tayo ginagawa din.
Okay. Mr. Chair.
Actually, may copy galing na sa central na nasampulan yung dalawang
It's already twice.
na-strike. One day naman, tatlong project yung sinalihan niya, the same yung findings sa kanya. Ayan, may suspension na yan.
It's stupid to submit your offer without any quotation.
Tingnan mo lang yung reason why.
So, para kasi, so kailangan mo na about PVC. Kung hindi nila kaya, so ito po about
Again, with the
Please
amount.
take the
Again, nakabilot sa yung kumuha ng minutes na. Iikon na doon. May-reporting tayo din. Pati sa civil, what si Joyang yata gumagawa. Picture na sa atin. So, guys like, pati yung above ABC, kasali yan. Advertise yung ABC, above ABC. Intentional yun.
pwede ang pag-ibig. Hello? Eh, kung hindi talaga ang presyo. Ayaw mas lalo kung spare parts.
Ito dito na alin ang ibigirati. Kung ito, muli lumakas, sa iyo ang talo, wala sa pagiging nasalo. Sabi, wala na?
Wala na dyan.
Okay, Sir Mark, any picture of query? Wala na? For this activity? Wala. Sir, paparin. Alam mo, Sir, okay na sir. Hindi, pronouncement mo. Wala pa naman sir. Wala pa naman. Okay. No more issues of the backwards activity. Now, adjourn. Thank you again for your support.